Hi guys, Ryan Dorman here. Today we're at Grand Park in Westfield. It's this brand new park that's been built here in Westfield. It's one of a kind. There's nothing like this in the world. It's got like 50 ball fields. It's got soccer fields, football fields, baseball fields, and this new indoor recreation center that's going to host indoor fields, so it can be used year-round. So we're going to take a little walk here through Grand Park and check out the park. So we're right here in the middle of it. So behind me is all the baseball fields. Just look at the map. We've got some soccer games going on, and it's really the middle of winter, but there's games going on here, and it's about 60 degrees, so getting ready for spring. So let's take a look around here at Grand Park. We're just going to walk all the way up here. Got a lot of fans watching the games, checking everything out. Here's a view. Just has ball fields as far as the eye can see. If you do a panoramic, we got soccer games going on. Lots of people coming from all over the country to play these travel games. You got football, lit fields, got baseball fields over there. So, and that's the new recreation center. So, pretty exciting. We're just going to keep walking around here and take a look around. So, got a lot of good stuff. There's some soccer games. So you can see everything. Pretty exciting. So that's about does it here from Westfield. It's located just off of Spring Mill Road and just north of Carmel and Hamilton County. So if you need more information, give me a call. But Westfield's a great place to live. It's the next boom town. So that's about does it from here. Thanks again for watching. Bye.